Larry, thanks for joining us. Nvidia, no shocker, but what's it going to do in 2025?
Hey, good to see you on the show, Brian. Happy New Year. I think for Nvidia, it comes down to trend following 101. It's a stock that's been trading above its 200-day moving average, not only since the start of last year, but the start of 2023 as well. And nothing has really changed in our work through that. We are advocates for letting winners run. So I think as much as Nvidia has been established as leadership, there's really no cracks in the trend either. Race stops to 118. That's the 200-day average. I think it's positive above there as the stock more recently has been consolidating around its June high at 141. I think you ultimately get the breakout.
With a break. All right. Ari, let's move then from one extreme to the other, because one of the worst performers was Boeing, but it also appeared on several top 3 lists. Despite that, it posted its worst year since 2020. It was down 32%. What do you do with it now?
Kelly, Happy New Year to you as well. Well, we like relative strength. We don't like relative weakness. You stay away from this one. Here's a stock that's getting above its 200-day average for the first time in a year. But consider, this is the 3rd year of a bull cycle. What does this stock look like when the cycle tops out? I think that there's relative risk and relative weakness is coming off a multi-decade low versus the S&P 500. So if you like it fundamentally, use that 200-day moving average as a stop at 171. For us, if it starts to fall back below that 200-day 171, we'd be looking to start shorting it again.
Wow. Below 171, which is, right around where we are right now.
There were 36 stocks that were on 3 or more top picks lists. 36 stocks. We don't have time to go through all 36. But the name that maybe was the most surprising, Kelly and Ari, to me, was a company called Howmet Aerospace. It was on 4 top picks list. It's a company not a lot of people, Ari, ever talk about. Guess what? It basically doubled this year. Wall Street got this one right. What do you see?
Yeah, we spoke about it in a couple of our reports in May and October, highlighted as a top idea within the aerospace and defense industry. Now, the industry didn't really take off, but the stock has continued to work, and we still like it. So it's got a bullish trend. It ranks high in our momentum work. And so for these reasons, we recommend buying this minor pullback in the stock. See good support at $105. That marks the November 6th gap, and the 100-day moving average also converges around there. Uptrends intact.